Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we'll be making a farm diorama in our tray here. So let's go ahead and get started building our diorama and then we'll add our farm animals. Our farm diorama is almost ready for some animals, but let's go ahead and fill up our pond with some slime. We have a fun fishbowl slime here. Let's go ahead and put this slime here into our pond. It even has fish in it already. We'll put this out here and fill our pond with fish and slime that looks like water. This slime is very jiggly, but it's perfect for our pond. Now the farm is ready for some animals. Our first animal is this dog here, and this dog's name is Percy. This dog looks just like my dog in real life, who is a yellow Labrador, and he loves to play outside. So we're going to have Percy be in our farm here. Percy the yellow lab. I think he might want to take a swim in the pond. Let's add sheep to the grassy field. Here's another sheep. And a small black and white sheep. We'll put this one right here. Now let's add some cows. We have a big brown cow. We'll put the cow back by the red barn, along with a little brown cow calf. This calf is so cute. We also have some black and white cows. This one has a cowbell. Put this one right here in the fenced-in area. And we also have two black and white calves. This cow looks like it's been playing in the mud. And this little calf here. Here is a turkey for the farm. We'll put the turkey on the grass. We'll also put a little rabbit on the farm. We'll set it right here next to the fence. Here we have a llama and an alpaca. We'll put them right back here by the apple tree. Here's a little farm cat. I think the farm cat will be watching the fish. The cat is right on the edge of the pond. Next, let's add some pigs to our farm. We'll put them down here. We can pretend that this is some mud. Here's a little baby piglet. And another piglet. This one is looking up at Percy the dog. And one more piglet. These piglets look like they're very happy on the farm. Next, we need some chickens for the farm. We have these little brown chickens. This chicken here. This white fluffy chicken. A brown fluffy chicken. This one has a lot of feathers around its head. It's very cute. We have another brown chicken. And we have a rooster. The rooster wakes everyone up in the morning with his cock-a-doodle-doo. Here we have a goose. We'll set this goose right outside of the pond. But this goose is going to go into the pond. And we also have a duck for the pond. The duck looks very happy swimming around in our pond with the fish. Our last animal for the farm is this old English sheepdog. It looks like it's taking a rest. We'll put it right here with the chickens. The farmer is going to feed the animals. He's got some hay. Let's put this hay in with the cows. And this hay will feed to the sheep. Here we have a feeding trough. We'll set this down here for the pigs, and we'll fill it up with corn. Now the pigs have plenty of corn. Let's feed some of this corn to the chickens too. We'll sprinkle it around their yard, and they can find it on the ground. Chickens love to scratch for grains on the ground. So that is our farm diorama. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look. Hope you enjoyed checking out all of these wonderful farm animals today in our farm diorama, and I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.